We love our rural property, and today we have another great one. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins. This is Izzy.
I'm Jordan Buggy.
And I'm Lindsay Swikeski-Harden with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team.
Welcome to our newest listing at 1565 North Grass Creek.
This home has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Out back, we have a shop/barn and some lean-tos, and it's located on 2.5 acres.
The 2.5 acres is irrigated, and this property sits in Vista West.
Let's go look inside. Inside, we have an updated kitchen with hickory cabinets and more cabinet space than your mind can grasp. Over here, we have the double ovens and even more cabinets.
This dining space is huge and has a ton of space for everyone, including your guests. There is additional seating over here at the peninsula.
This primary suite is huge, and you can even access the covered deck from the room. It also has an ensuite bathroom just right over here.
You can also access the covered deck from the kitchen. And the star of the show
is this massive living room addition.
Did you know that the only window coverings that add value are shutters? Did you know?
Off the living room addition, we have a bathroom with a shower and a jet tub.
Downstairs, there are 2 additional bedrooms, both of them with great lighting, an additional bathroom with a shower, the laundry room, and an additional living room. This living room has a wood-burning stove, and I don't know if you noticed or not, but upstairs there is a pellet stove. There is a second access to the garage from this living space as well.
You guys, I totally forgot. There's this bonus room right off the shop, currently being used as a gym, and it's even heated. I'd love to show you this property. Call or text me today.
Remember, we want you and your horses to love where you live.
Look at her, look at you.
Is my hair I'm gonna sit right here, you're gonna go down the slide. I'm too old for that shit.
Wait, what are we doing? Someone's got
I don't know.
Downstairs, there are 2.
I'm too old for that shit.
Another way to get up there.
I'm really too old for this.
This is so sick.
Isn't it awesome? It's heated too. We love you, Rosie. Izzy said she loves you too.
falls down the stairs.
Falls down the stairs.
Massive living.
I just work here.